Hello chemistry students. So here is the weekly overview for week number 5 of this semester 2, February 16 to February 19. I hope you had a relaxing President's Day. And here's for this week. Everything is in the learning folder as usually. When a folder becomes old, it gets moved to the absent folder. What did you miss semester 2? So as you can see, this week we're going to touch base a little bit on checkpoint 1 at the beginning of the class on Tuesday. And the rest of the week we're going to be working on checkpoint 5, the seashell investigation packet, pages 4 to 6. So there is a power focus area conservation of mass that is due. The deadline on Summit Learning passes on Wednesday. So I added participation points on Schoology. So basically, I just would like everyone to attempt it and pass it. If you are confident with the checkpoint 2, how to balance equations, and you understand the conservation of mass principle, you will be in very good shape to pass this focus area in one attempt. So let's look at the folder. I have a weekly overview plan here. So as I told you, the week is going to be spent working on that seashell investigation packet, pages 4 to 6. And I'm going to show you some resources I put together during class for you to complete the packet at your own pace. So on Wednesday, I have the workshop at 9 a.m. and I can give you support on acid-base chemistry. If you're not done with the acid-base POGIL and you reached out to me because you needed extended time, it's just fine, and you can get some help for this during this workshop. You can also get some help for the calculations for the seashell investigation packet. There is also one-on-one available. These are times where you need individualized attention, and any questions on the focus area should be asked on a one-on-one. So on Friday, the packet pages 4 to 6 will be due and uploaded on Schoology, and you'll be able to start working on the checkpoint 5 that is explaining the seashell investigation. That's on Summit Learning. So on Summit Learning, we also have a part where you will practice constructing an evidence-based explanation. And that's the second part of that checkpoint 5 that will be started at the end of the week or possibly beginning of next week. But you will have time to work on that as well next week on Tuesday. Regarding the packet, so it's the same packet that you started working on and for checkpoint 4, the seashell investigation packet, but this time pages 4 to 6. That will be uploaded here on Schoology. And the slides, the supporting slides for checkpoint 5 are also found in the learning folder. And you will see that you will get a lot of resources and formulas to help you complete the packet. Well, that's it, folks. I'll talk to you later.